Okay, so a day has passed and we're now going to connect Amazon to AutoDS, begin the product importing, begin the automation. Now, as you know, I already imported a product to show you what it's like, which was the Volcano Mini humidifier. And the cool thing is, one of the things that I love about dropshipping on marketplaces like Amazon is that you get free organic traffic, right? It's a buyer intent platform. So anyone who goes to Amazon and searches for something and your listing has that, they're most likely going to see the impression at the very least. And of course, we're going to hope that they're going to view, they're going to click, and they're going to purchase. So you're getting free organic traffic. And one of the cool things, or one of the greatest things that I love about that is that you're going to make sales, right? You're going to make sales without any marketing as long as you're selling something that people are looking to buy. And the reason that I'm telling you all of this is because I just got a sell while I was sleeping last night. And I woke up this morning to see that. So here you can see on my screen. So I got this sold, shipped now, free economy shipping. We're going to go over all the shipping options and all of that. This is the product, of course, that's sold, the only product that I have on my store. So I got this. Congratulations. You have a new order on Amazon. Your customer is expecting to ship this by blah, blah, blah. So please go over the details. This is the order ID, the order date, which is today. When I have to ship it by according to my shipping policies, which I will show you soon. And here you can also see the breakdown of the fees. So we're going to go over the fees and all that soon, but I just want you to see what it looks like. So the price of this product, as you guys know, is $24.99. I'm sourcing it for much, much cheaper than that. So the customer pays a $175 tax here. And so that means that I get $24.99 plus $175, and then Amazon deducts that $175 because Amazon takes care of the tax here. So we don't need to charge tax for our customers and then pay it to the US government because Amazon takes care of that for us. So at the end of the day, I got $24.99 plus the $175 that was deducted and Amazon's fees, which is $375 in this case. So my total earnings is $21.24. We're going to go over fees and all of that now, but I just want you to see what it looks like when an order comes in. Okay, so that's cool. I have an order. I need to fulfill it. That's a perfect opportunity to also show you how that's done. And I can, of course, also see this order on AutoDS. So if I go to AutoDS and I click here on orders, I can see this new order that came in. Right now, it's in pending status because I need to send it out. We can do it the manual way. We can do it the automatic way. I'll show you when we get to order fulfillment. But again, I just want to show you what it looks like. So we can see the order here. This is the product. This is the product's name. And here, I still don't see the customer's address. I'm going to show you soon how all of that works. And I've got the rest of the order's details here. You can see that I'm sourcing it for $11.68 and I did sell it for $24.99 plus the $175 tax. So you can see that the customer actually paid $26.74. My total profit here is $14.26. Before we deduct how much my break even actually was here, I'm going to show you how to set up your break even. We're going to fulfill this order and see how much profit I actually made. But anyway, we're going to have a nice profit margin here because you can see my buying price and my selling price. So when we get to order fulfillment, we're going to take care of that. Right now, I want to make sure that you're getting sales in your Amazon store as well. So what we're going to do right now is connect Amazon to AutoDS so that we can begin the product importing, the automation, and everything else. If you do not want to use AutoDS, you don't want to use automation, you can skip this step. But again, I highly urge that you do it because without it, you will not be able to automate, you will not be able to scale, and you won't be able to make sales as easy as I just did. Okay, so in order to connect Amazon to AutoDS, you first need to have an AutoDS account. So if you don't have one yet, head over to autods.com. And over here where it says, on my case, go to my account because I'm already logged in. For you, you're going to have the option to register if you haven't done so yet. So go ahead and do that. Fill in your information. You're going to start with a 14-day trial for just $1. That's more than enough time to get started, make sales, make profit, and remake that investment that you're putting into your business right now. So you're going to go with an Amazon plan, and I suggest starting with the starter plan instead of the import plan because on starter, you're going to have more things that you'll need. For example, automatic price and stock monitoring. So if the price changes, if the stock status changes, on the hundreds or thousands of products that you have in your store, you want the changes to be made on your store as well. So whatever is happening on your supplier's website, the same changes will be made on your store, and you won't need to consume all of your time just taking care of that. And more things like using the Fulfilled by AutoDS service. I'm going to go through all of the order automation soon, but there is the Fulfilled by AutoDS service, there's automatic orders, there's automatic tracking updates. This is the plan that you want to go for. So you're going to go with a starter plan, and that should start you off. You're going to pay only $1 for the next 14 days. Try before you buy, make your sales in profit, and enjoy your new online business. So once you register to AutoDS, you're going to connect your Amazon store. If you already have an account, you're just going to click here where it says Add Store. Then you're going to select Amazon Store, click on Continue. Now, you should already be logged into your Amazon account. So when you click on Continue, you just need to log into it if you're not already logged in. So I'm just going to sign into my account here. If you have an OTP, you're going to have to submit it now. So let's just give it a second. Send me the OTP. Just got it. Let's fill it in. Okay. Sign in. Okay, then it's going to ask me to authorize AutoDS all-in-one. I'm going to click here and confirm. Now, I already did it, but I'm going to do it now again anyway. So this just kind of refreshes my store. It doesn't matter that I'm doing it again. And now it's asking for my store name, so I'll just call it my Amazon store. And what marketplace are we selling on? Which in my case, I'm selling to the US. I suggest that you sell on Amazon US too. Most of the sales are going to come from there. It's really easy to sell to the US market. Later on, you can expand to more markets if you want, and go ahead and click on Add Store. Now, I already have my store here. I also have multiple stores, as you can see here, from many selling channels. This is one of the things that I love about AutoDS, is that you can sell in multiple selling channels, multiple locations, but you're going to start off with one store, make it successful before you consider opening another one, especially in a different selling channel. So my Amazon store is right here, and you should now be connected as well. So that is step number one. Congratulations and welcome to automation. Now that your Amazon store is connected to AutoDS, and there's still so much more that you need to learn about AutoDS, and I will teach you about it in this video, but we do want to take it step by step. So now you have automation connected, and soon you will take advantage of it.